Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. Let's read the question first. What is the resistance of a toaster if 120 volt produce a current of 4.2 ampere? So we have a toaster. Let's just model it as a resistor here. So we will need to find out what is R in this resistor. Okay, and we are given that when we have a current of 4.2 ampere, here we will have a potential difference of 120 volt. Okay, 120 volt. So this is the voltage, and that the blue one is the current. Okay, and we can just use the Ohm's law, right? So we need to use the Ohm's law. Okay, Ohm's law said that the voltage is equal to the current times resistance. But here we need to find out the resistance, so I'll have the R is equal to, let's divide both sides by I, so I will have V divided by I. And what can we do next is just to plug in the numbers, right? So we will have the voltage 120, and then the current we will have 4.2. Okay, and that will be around 3, but less than 3, maybe 2.9. But let's just use calculator to calculate that, right? So we'll have 120 divided by 4.2. I guess around 2.9. Oh yeah, 28. Yeah, 28.57. Okay, we'll have 28.57. And the unit here will be in ohm, right? Because this one is in ampere. And this one, no, this one is in volt. Okay, this one will be in volt, and this one 4.2 is in ampere. Volt divided by ampere is just ohm. And I think that's all. The resistance of the toaster here is 28.57 ohm. And I think that's all for this problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.